Mushrooms are starting to pin. This is a yellow oyster mushroom, and you'll see from all the holes in the bucket here, they're starting to come out. See, that's what we call pinning mushrooms, and they all seem to be coming out. A lot of the holes, they don't come out of all of them, but that's what they look like. And yeah, so this one's coming along really well. Okay, so I'm going to keep my mushrooms in my front porch. It's not too, it's in indirect light here, so it's not too bright. And my bag here. So what we'll do is just spray the bucket a bit, and I'm going to spray the inside of the bag a bit. And I'm going to drape it over the bucket. Like that. There we go. So now it's the bag is covering the bucket, and that will raise the humidity in the tent.